Have you ever wondered how birds soar effortlessly in the sky? It's fascinating to observe them gliding, isn't it? Birds can fly high because of their unique anatomy. Their lightweight bodies and hollow bones reduce weight. Next, their wings are specially shaped for lift. The air moves faster over the top of their wings, creating a pressure difference. Bernoulli's principle explains this phenomenon. As speed increases, pressure decreases. The lift generated helps birds rise. Take the example of an eagle. It uses thermal updrafts to soar effortlessly, conserving energy. In summary, birds fly high due to lightweight bodies, wing shape, and Bernoulli's principle. So, the next time you see a bird soaring, remember the science behind it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing nature facts.